Welcome to CleverGround. In this video, we will guide you step by step on how to view the performance of students. First, log in to the CleverGround app. Select your institute and then choose your role as faculty. From the main dashboard, select the course you want to view. Go to the Course tab and click on View to see the course details and video information. Here, you can see the total number of views for each video, which helps you understand student engagement. To check test performance, go to the Test tab and click on View. Then open the Students tab. Here, you can identify students who have not attempted the test, marked with the status, Not Submitted. To review individual performance, click on View Results. You will be able to see the students' marks and the answers they selected for each question. If you want to allow a student to retake the test, click on the Resubmission button. To download detailed performance data, go to the Details and Analytics tab and click on Download Report. And that's how you can easily view and manage the overall performance of students in CleverGround LMS. Thank you for watching.